So in this video now we learn how to print alphabet letter a small a to z and capital A to Z both together. In last video we learned how to print capital A to Z and before that a small a to z. So now we'll move that and try to print it both together. Okay. So in the same way we need to import a string function. Okay. And then loop for ln string dot ascii underscore. This time we'll use that later function is there. Okay. And print of l. Okay. So this time we're going to use ASCII letters is one more function inside a string. So if we do that, hit run, you can see now all our first a small letter a to z it's started, a to z here end, and then capital A to Z printed. So in this way we can print both capital A first a small a to z and then capital A to Z. I hope you like this video. Thank you.